Hey guys, and welcome to this video. We're going to be setting up the nursery for our baby. I'm currently almost 32 weeks pregnant. I'll show you the room that we're working with. So this is the nursery room. As you can see, we have a little painting here. This is actually how we found out the gender of our baby. We got an artwork commissioned, and this is kind of what we're basing the color palette of the nursery. So you can see these swatches here. We are wanting to paint an accent wall. I'm going to put some Pinterest inspo on the screen here of what I kind of want this nursery to kind of look like, so you have an idea of the vibe we're kind of going for. We've also done a few things. This is Brayden.
Hi, I'm the baby daddy, aka husband. This was originally a spare bedroom.
I'll put in a photo of what it looked like before because it was unrecognizable and it's a bit embarrassing, but this was like our junk room.
I'm glad I took a photo of that.
I know.
But yeah, now it's cleared out finally, which is so fun. We spent some time preparing the room a little bit. Like, we had some screws in the wall that we've taken out.
We've been slowly like accumulating a few things for the baby room. So this vlog's going to go over a couple of weeks probably as we slowly kind of set it all up. But today we are excited to set up, what are we going to set up?
We bought the nursery set of cot and dresser.
So we're going to start off with the cot today. So let's set that up. Mickey thinks this is his room, but this isn't your room, it's for the baby. You excited to meet the baby?
We've never actually seen this in real life. We only saw it on the internet.
Yeah. Oh babe, it's a good colour.
Oh, you saw it for me? Okay.
It's a good colour.
Wow. Wow, guys, look. Oh, that's sneaky. $150 off the adult mattresses.
Oh.
And then instructions, don't need them. No, I'm just kidding. Let's get the instructions. Mickey's our manager, telling us what to do, taking care of all the instructions for us, aren't you, Mick? So this room isn't massive, so we're not sure where we're going to put it, but we're thinking potentially in this corner. I think that's good, yeah. Looks cool as.
Wow, looks so good.
Cute.
Frick, I love it. I'm so happy with how the cot's looking. Now we are going to set up the dresser. By we, I mean Brayden. Hey guys, so it's a couple of days later and today we start the wall. So we're going to be painting it with line wash. We got our package yesterday from this company. Today we have to like prep the wall, and then tomorrow hopefully we're going to actually do the line wash.
I hope no one watching this is like a tradie and knows what they're doing.
Because we do not know what we're doing. We are back in the nursery. I'm currently 34 weeks pregnant, finally on maternity leave, and we're actually going to do the lime wash today, so woohoo!
Finally. Here we have the bullet color lime wash. We have the 1 litre almond flour color. So we have 2 of these to cover this wall. It's bad, just I'm surprised how runny. Okay.
We finished the first coat of the lime wash. Apparently it's gonna fade a bit once it all dries and stuff. I think it looks really good. And then we'll do another coat in about 1 to 2 hours. What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's so sick. I love it. It's so nice. Can't wait to see what it's like when it's dry.
Yeah, same. We're about to walk into the room after it being dried to see our reaction.
So let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
We have let it dry. This is the second coat. We're going to take off all the masking tape and the flooring and stuff and hopefully put the crib where it's meant to be. So we got our rocking chair from Il Tutto. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's like the rocking chair of my dreams, so I'm so excited to unbox this and show you what it looks like. So it's a glider rocking chair, so it glides like this as well as reclines, which is so good.
No socks.
Hey guys, so I'm in the nursery. I haven't filmed anything or done anything really to the nursery for the past couple of weeks. I did have a baby shower, so I have a lot of presents and things that I need to organize. I'm currently 37 weeks pregnant, so she literally could come today, which is kind of stressing me out a bit, and that's why I'm like, okay, I've got to organize all this stuff and like get the ball rolling on this. Let me show you what the nursery is looking like right now and kind of share with you what I plan to do today. Okay, so it's kind of one big dumpster, but we have a bunch of presents still that we need to find a home for my baby shower. I've got some things that I want to set up today, some other stuff. Oh, we got a change mat, and I've started like kind of organizing her clothes, but not really at the same time. Like I kind of want to do this, like this has got towels and stuff in here, so I want to put all the towels in like in the bathroom, but I just popped kind of some stuff in here for now. And then in the cupboard I've just hung up some of her clothes, that like jumpers and dresses and stuff that I would prefer in the cupboard rather than in the drawers. Then we've got a bunch of storage up here, like nappies and stuff. I do want to find kind of like a better system, but yeah, today's goal isn't to like make everything kind of look perfect. I just want to put things in a place and then I can organize those places later, but I just want to set up a bunch of things and see how we go. Guys, this is what we have going right now. So this is where the painting's going to go. We'll hang it up later. We've got a little nappy caddy. This ideally I think will probably go in our bedroom, but let's get stuck into these boxes. It's a struggle to like get to the floor sometimes. But first thing I'm going to set up is, I think this will be really easy. This is a side table from Kmart. Looks like a really beautiful texture. I think that is a perfect little side table. I can put some drinks, some snacks, maybe a night light on there. Lots of options. Okay, now onto your lamp. This was from Ikea. Yay, I think that looks so good. It could be nice to like put something else on this wall too, but I haven't figured out that so far. This is the nappy bin we got. We decided on this one because you don't need to buy any special bags for it, whereas like I feel like a lot of diaper bins you have to buy specific bags for the bins, and that can, I don't know, I'm just assuming you go through a lot of nappies and a lot of bins when you have a baby, so I didn't want to have to keep forking out for really expensive specific bags for the diaper bins. So this one can just use any, and apparently it is made of steel and it helps to like not have any smell. So it's by the brand Ubi. Anyways, let's unbox it. I'm not too sure where I want to put this. I was thinking here, but actually it's quite smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is really good. So I might be able to move the drawers over and actually sit it there if it fits. I'm looking at this and I think it's quite small. I think it could potentially fit there if we move the drawers over a bit.
Oh.
It's like a lot smaller than I thought it would be. If we move it over like a little bit, because there's like a bit of space here. I know we wanted this to be like centered, or we could put that on this side.
That might be cool. Let's try that.
Like and hide it.
What do you think? Well, let's just get a visual. That could be cool hidden.
It could be cool hidden,
but it's less.
We can try both. The bin fits like perfectly. We can still open this door, which is perfect. Got all the rubbish. I think on this side it looked a bit crammed and stuff, but I think That looks really good. So there's one more thing I'm going to do now, and that's I'm going to set up a mirror. Apparently it goes over the door, so I'm not sure how that's going to work or how it's going to look, but we're going to try it out. And I also wanted to set up the bassinet today, but I think I'll save that for when Brayden can help me because I'm getting tired. But I'm really happy with the progress that we've made. Oh, also we moved the lamp to the middle here instead of here, because we thought it looked a bit better. It's definitely getting real that this baby is going to be coming soon. I literally can't believe it. It's crazy how fast pregnancy goes. So this mirror, apparently it hangs over the door, so we want to hang it over the wardrobe door, and we got the mirror from Kmart. Was super easy to set up. Only thing is it's a bit like unstable. Like if I open the door, it'll like, I don't know, a bit rickety. So I need to find a solution for that. This is the update on the room, what it's looking like right now, and the bump update 37 weeks. Can't believe it. Hopefully I can finish this nursery before she comes. But ideally she will be sleeping with us in our bedroom for the first little while anyway. Hey guys, so the nursery is complete. It's actually 3 months later. Baby girl is almost 3 months, which is crazy. I'm excited to share with you the full reveal of the nursery. Let's go see it. Here it is. We're so obsessed with how it's all turned out. Over here we have the changing table, which you would have seen before. We added some wipes and some things to use for changing. We've also got like a little like comb and brush, which is so cute. And we've actually been using them, which is crazy. And then we filled the drawers up with clothes. If you want to know like exactly what's in the drawers with a full rundown, I will be having a full nursery tour video coming out next, where I go through literally every single item and tell you if we like it, where it's from, all that jazz. So look out for that video. Make sure you like and subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified when that video lands. I did mention that this mirror had a bit of an issue where it was like rickety when we opened it. My husband kind of fixed it. So he stuck some double-sided tape thing on the back, so it's stuck to the door. So when I open it, it's not rickety. Well, a little bit rickety, but we still have an issue where kind of still doesn't close properly.
Yeah, because the magnet's hard.
You just have to push it really hard. So it's not like 100% perfect, but it's better than it was. Moving over here is obviously the chair of my dreams, which I'm literally obsessed with. Yeah, I literally have been using it non-stop for 3 months, so we love. Something that I didn't go into depth in the transformation video was actually these curtains here. They were from Ikea, and if you want to get like a very cool budget-friendly sheer curtain moment, Ikea is the way to go. I'll try to link like a reel or video that we got inspo from that tells you all the details of what to buy from Ikea to make this look. We are literally so obsessed with it that we're actually going to be doing it to other windows in our house. The last section of the nursery is the cot and the shelves. We are obsessed with how everything's turned out. In terms of the wall, this was like the biggest project that we did, and this turned out really well. We love using lime wash. It was great. And yeah, that is the little transformation of the nursery. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.